Welcome to Next IAS English, Species in News. In this episode, we bring you interesting updates about wildlife and conservation from India and around the world. Let's start in Kerala, where a funny incident made the news. The Kerala High Court had to stop for a day because a palm civet wandered inside. This small mammal, also called the Asian palm civet or toddy cat, is active at night and helps forests by spreading seeds. It is listed as least concern by the IUCN but faces threats from deforestation and wildlife trafficking. Fun fact, the civet is linked to kopi luwak, a special coffee made from the beans eaten and excreted by this species. Next, in the Sundarbans, there is some good news. Saltwater crocodiles, the world's largest living reptiles, are increasing in number in the Sundarbans Biosphere Reserve, found in Odisha, West Bengal and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These top predators are important for keeping the ecosystem healthy. In India, they are protected under Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act, though globally they are least concerned. Odisha is unique because it has all three crocodile species, gharial, magar and saltwater crocodile. Now to Delhi's National Zoological Park, where a touching story happened. A tigress named Aditi, a Royal Bengal tiger, gave birth to 6 cubs, but sadly 4 of them died soon after birth. The Royal Bengal tiger is India's national animal and is endangered. India has the largest tiger population in the world, so every birth and every loss is very important for the species. Finally, in Florida, USA authorities are trying something unusual. They are using robotic rabbits to catch invasive Burmese pythons, which are harming local wildlife. These snakes are native to Southeast Asia, including India and Nepal. They are vulnerable in the IUCN. This shows how invasive species can upset the balance of nature. That's it for today's episode of Species in News on Next IAS English. From India's forest to global conservation challenges, these updates show both progress and ongoing efforts to protect wildlife. So stay curious and stay connected with nature. We'll see you in another episode of Species in News. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.